Hey y'all, I'm kind of upset because I got to do this over, but I'm about to do this quick little eyeshadow tutorial. So first, I'm outlining my eyebrows with my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And usually y'all know I do my eyebrows first, but I've been trying to do my eyeshadow first and I really like it. And I'm just putting that under my eyebrows and I'm also setting it on my lids. So now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jacki Aina palette. Y'all, this eye palette is so bomb. Like, the colors in it, bomb as fuck. So I'm taking this big wig. It's like a deep purple color. And I'm just going to pack that on my crease. And I'm just taking it little by little. And then just making sure you blend it. Because, listen, don't be walking around here if your eyeshadow is not blended. Like, I'm telling y'all right now. It looks terrible. And I will be the one to be like, okay, listen, sis. I'll put you aside, like, you need to blend this better. Because I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry. And your friends ain't real if they don't tell you your eyeshadow ain't blended. Like, come on now. But yeah, you can do it little by little and then just make sure you take the time. Take your time, please, to blend it out. Please. For all that is holy. Okay? Thank you. Okay, next I'm going back and I'm taking the color Supreme. It looks a little lighter on the camera, but it's kind of darker. But yeah, I'm taking that color Supreme. It's like a pink color. And I'm just going to blend that above the purple color into the crease area. Again, make sure you're blending that out, taking your time to really blend the two colors together. I have this thing with purple and pink. I honestly don't know why. I think I just like unicorns. But yeah, so I'm blending that on my eye, on my crease. Well, above my crease, technically. Okay, so next I'm taking my concealer and I'm just going to cut my halo shape. So the key to this is doing kind of like a gradient effect. So I like to start small at the bottom and then make it a larger line at the top. Well, like a larger semicircle. And so it kind of looks like a triangle, but not really. I'm trying to think, maybe like a cone. Think of it like an upside down cone. So you want to make sure it's like small at the bottom and gets larger at the top. And take your time to cut this too, because this is very important that it's neat. So next I'm taking that color Zamn. I love this color. It's like a sparkly, it's a pigment, kind of like a loose pigment, but it's like gold. It has some brown in it. It's really nice. And I'm just packing that on the very top of my halo, just the top. I'm not putting it all over my lid. But yes, I love this color. I think this is one of my favorite colors in this palette. And now I'm going back in with the pink color Supreme, and I'm just putting that on my lid where I didn't put Zamn. So in the center part, and I'm kind of cleaning it up at the top where Zamn is as well, just so it's like a small line of sparkle. It's going to look real cute, y'all. We're going to look bomb, okay? If y'all do this, let me know. Take pictures because it's going to look bomb as fuck. So yeah, just take your time packing that on there, making sure it's really neat. Okay, now I'm going to just clean up Zamn, and I'm putting some more on the top just to make sure it didn't get washed out when we put Supreme on there, because, you know, we need to look bomb. I'm also putting it in my inner corner because, I don't know, I'm just dramatic. I like my eyeshadow to be like, bam, like, you know, I know y'all know. So yeah, now I'm just going back in with Big Wig and just cleaning it up on the side so it can blend better with Supreme. Okay, so I just did the rest of my face off camera. I was on the phone with my mom, so if y'all see my lips moving and me laughing and stuff, it's because my mom was talking to me. She's so funny. But I'm using this lip gloss. It's the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Fenty Glow. It's the one that everybody be using, the most popular one. You already know what I'm talking about. But yes, I love this lip gloss. It's so good. I just like the way it smells, like, and it makes my lips. I feel like a Bratz doll when I be putting this lip gloss. When I put this lip gloss on. But yeah, that's the complete look. For eyelashes, I'm using LaChiquate the eyelash in the style Mariposa. Yes, my friend Ashley, this is her eyelash brand. So shout out to Ashley. But yes, that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will catch you next time. See ya.